Strategies for effective searching. Using limiters for searching. So far, we've discovered that when our initial keyword searches produce an overwhelming number of results, we can substitute more accurate subject terms and find more precise, accurate resources. Even when you do, however, you are still likely to find far more on many subjects than is practical and useful for a college-level assignment. Search limiters and search filters. Although the particular options will vary from database to database, most will have a way to limit your search results to more specific types of sources. An easy way to begin is to limit your results to a particular publication date range. Sometimes you will have the option of drop-downs, entry boxes, or even a date range slider. Most of the time, students want material that is more recently published, but you also have the option to select only that which was published 5 or 10 years ago. Let's try an example. Go ahead and enter the two-word term Badger Basketball in the search box and click Search. What you find are articles on the Badgers' most recent run to the Final Four. Let's say that instead you'd like to find information about the Badgers' first trip to the Final Four of the modern era. Perhaps you heard that happened before Bo Ryan was the Badger coach. If you set your date limit to those articles published between 1996 and 2001, because you know Bo began in the fall of 2001, it worked. You found an article that mentioned the Badgers' trip to the Final Four in 2000. Some assignments might require that you find your source material in a particular type of publication. Some faculty will insist that at least one of your sources be from a scholarly, peer-reviewed journal, whereas others want you to use reputable magazines or professional trade publications. Most of our databases provide you the option to select a desired publication type. If a subject is new to you, however, it might make sense to familiarize yourself with the topic using some of our respected popular publications before you try to tackle a complex article in a peer-reviewed journal. If you are fluent only in English, you might choose to limit to only those articles published in English. Some databases permit you to select a page limit, where you can find only those articles of a particular length. On some topics you will find many very brief articles of less than half a page, and those will provide you with almost no substantive fact for building your essay. Some databases with specialized content will have other subject-specific limits for you to try. The goal of all limiters is to allow you to fine-tune your results to only those resources that will best address your research questions. If you need further help in your research, don't hesitate to contact us using any of the ways shown. Thanks for viewing this Howler online tutorial.